If you love tough, reliable watches that don't break the bank, you've probably come across the Timex Expedition series, rugged, functional, and built for adventure. But now, Timex has given its classic field watch a modern twist. Meet the Timex Expedition Capstone, the sleekest and sportiest edition yet. At first glance, the Capstone looks like a familiar expedition, but with a major upgrade in design and detail. For the first time, Timex introduces a 39mm brushed case, perfectly balanced for both men and women, and compact enough for everyday wear. The gunmetal finish gives it a cool, stealthy vibe, while the brushed texture adds just the right amount of sophistication. And because it's a field watch at heart, there's no bezel, just a clean, legible dial with bold numerals, strong lume, and a date window at 3 o'clock for extra practicality. Even at 10mm thick, the Capstone feels surprisingly slim on the wrist, making it one of the most wearable field watches Timex has ever released. Timex didn't stop at the case. The Capstone debuts a new silicone strap, available in green or black, soft, flexible, and incredibly comfortable. It's water-resistant, rugged, and ready for outdoor adventures, from hikes to daily commutes. And yes, it comes with quick-release spring bars, so you can swap straps in seconds without any tools. Pair that with 50 meters of water resistance, and you've got a watch built for real-world use, rain, shine, or trail. Inside, the Expedition Capstone runs on Timex's reliable quartz analog movement, known for accuracy, low maintenance, and unbeatable value. It's everything you need in a field watch, rugged, readable, and ready for action, at a fraction of the cost of most field or military watches on the market. The new Timex Expedition Capstone is available now for just $129 on Timex's website. The all-black version is already sold out, but the green edition is still up for grabs, and it looks fantastic in person. If you're after an affordable, sporty, and adventure-ready watch that nails both style and substance, the Capstone might just be your next everyday timepiece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews and watch releases every week.